One solid wall of white and raining like a bad dog. Yeah, I like the word bad dog. Get off me. Here. That's basically a riverlet. And then it passed. And there's the break. Wow. Still flooding. There's the break. Wow, it's almost stopped raining. Almost. It's still coming off the house, but it's not like anything like it was a moment ago. In less than a minute, it stopped raining. Basically, I mean, it's a sprinkle now next to the holy crap it was. That was cool. I like that one. Hopefully it just keeps raining like this next 4 days. That'd be nice. Yeah, it would. Oh, very good. Check that out. The break in the cloud. Oh, it's raining again. We're behind the eye. It's passing us over right now. There it is, too. It's like looking straight into heaven. Whoa, right there. Beautiful. Gotta wonder who the hell they delivered from CERN right there. I had the energy for it. Hey, did you see the lightning? For the first time it flashed twice. You couldn't hear it, you couldn't see it. There it was. Hear that? On the back side of that was a bolt of lightning that drove that thing. That right there, look at it. That was what was driving all that rain. Look at the end tail. This side's blue skies. This side's still the storm. There it was. Cool. That was a nice storm, man. I got most of it.